access to the device's web page and log in with the corresponding credentials. Click the Maintenance tab, then click Firmware Update. To retrieve the correct firmware, click in Download File. This will download the latest available file. When the download finishes, click in Import File. Select it from the pop-up window to load it. The process will upload and install the file. This could take several seconds. Once finished, the device will restart and the session will be disconnected. Do not de-energize during this process. Finally, the device is ready to continue.